Here's a quick side-by-side on the Elec full aluminum keyboard and the Aula F75. So they're pretty much similar. They're both 75%, but you can already tell the Elec has a much taller profile that's at an angle. The other one is also a little bit angular, but if you want to get the same height, you do have to prop the feet up. And even then, it's almost there. I think it's a little bit lower still. Obviously, I absolutely love both of these keyboards. But yeah, if you're wondering what a $30-some difference makes between the Aula and the Elec keyboard, it's basically the building materials. This one's just going to be super solid. It's like 4.5 pounds. It's very heavy. And it still works wired, and I believe it also has a wireless version. I personally use my keyboards wired. But yeah, the Aula also has Bluetooth, wired, wireless, all that good stuff.